most powerful thought. What is the most powerful thought? I have given you Shreem Brzee. And that is the most powerful thought. I couldn't believe myself that how many people have been able to send me notes saying that I was broke, turn around and create a new life. My only concern is why is it not happening to anyone? It's not only my question, it is also the question for everyone who have been exposed to these techniques, who have even done this program, the 6 months program. And you will know it is due to lack of commitment. So commitment is very, very important. In a life without commitment is not worth living. What are you going to do with life? How are you going to spend time? Every minute has to be spent in fulfilling your commitment to yourself, and that is the most important thing. The one mantra that I'm proud of that will work if you are committed, and even if you are not committed but still doing it in a mechanical way for extended period of time, just it will work. And if you do it with commitment, it will work multifold. So there are programs, that graded programs, and then the important component is that you are going to be also given a strong dose of karma removal built into that 6 months program. So it's a great opportunity for you, and then get benefited by it. And first the karma removal, and then the Shreem Brzee, they will go simultaneously. And I'm confident that the world is going to see the light of God. And Shreem Brzee, I want the Shreem Brzee to help everyone to first achieve two things: to get rid of karma and then financially well off, so that we can focus more. That my prayer always has been. You cannot ask people to pray to you because they are now suffering. It's your obligation to do that. And I extend this prayer to Lord Shiva, who is the most compassionate being, who drank poison on behalf of the angels as well as the human beings. All glory to Lord Shiva. God bless.